guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making slime. So I'm making slime, and what you need for this is a bowl or something, a spoon, Elmer's glue, and some Tide, which I got this Tide from the dollar store. Well, this is optional, and I have this yellow fruit dye. So what you want to do is you want to put as much glue as you want, as much glue as you get that much slime. I'm going to pour a little bit, so like I did like that much, then I put the lid on there. Now you're going to add like 2 drops of food dye, but after you add this in, you might want to add more food dye because the Tide makes it darker because it's blue. So yeah, 2 drops of yellow, and I think this is actually green, so yellow. So yeah, and you also need a mixing tool. Yeah, this is actually green instead of yellow. I'm gonna add another drop. Oh no, there's a little in the corner. I really like this color. Look at that, really nice color. The lighting wasn't very good in here. This is going to be my everyday studio. Well, it might be. I'm not really sure. This is only my second video on this channel. And yeah, you just want to add a little bit of Tide in, like about that much. You guys probably would see. Now it's starting to thick up. I think this slime is going to be really good. I'm going to add in a little more food coloring though, because look what color it is. It turned a little green, like greener than I wanted it to be. So I'm going to add another little drop. And do not mix food coloring with your hands, because my hands are still blue from the slime I did off camera. And yeah, so that was weird. Okay, I think it's a little sticky still. Yeah, it's a little sticky, so I'm going to add a little more Tide in there. And Tide is the activator, if you're wondering. And yeah, so. And do you want to know a little fact about slime? This is the original color of slime. Like, slime was usually green. And now you just want to knead it with your hands a little bit. Just a little bit. And I might do another video where I do a slime smoothie, because I have mixed other slimes on my different channels, which I'll put their names in the description box below. But I don't know how to do like a link in the description box, so I'm just gonna put the names down there. Yeah, and I have 3 channels. This is one of them. Then I have 2 more. And yeah, so just keep kneading your slime, and soon it will be not sticky. But I'm gonna add a little more Tide to mine. Mine is really sticky, so it's really sticky. So I'm just gonna add some in my hand and then mix slime. Oh, it's getting slimier. That is a really good sign because yeah, really good slime. Right now it just feels like I'm playing with glue. Like, look at this. It's like so weird. Like, so weird. I'm gonna pause the camera until it's needed and everything. So I'm done with the slime. It's pretty sticky, but it's really good slime. I haven't checked the quickiness yet. I only added a little more Tide, but that worked. At first it gets a little slimy, like if you add like a little too much Tide, but then you like knead it, and then it gets good slime. So this is my slime. It's pretty good, and let's see how clicky it is. For a tiny slime, that's pretty good though, because look how tiny it is. It's pretty big to you guys, but it's pretty tiny in real life. Like, look at my phone compared to it. Okay, here's the slime. This slime, here's my thumb. It's not that big, even though my thumb is like that big. My thumb isn't that big though. So, yeah, I think this turned out really well. And don't get worried if it goes all over your hands, because it will just come right off. Like, there's some on my hand still, but I haven't like went like this yet. See, it's coming right off. Like, yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. Bye!